If your content strategy ends at lead gen, you're leaving money on the table. Now, on the one hand, marketing teams need to do more than create content for the top and middle of the funnel. But on the other, sales teams need a strategy that works in concert with marketing. When there's no sales plan in place, the marketing team has no direction for producing content that converts. And without a strong link between marketing efforts and sales strategy, you're sending your sales team with a knife to a gunfight. So the big problem is without a sales strategy, you end up with content chaos. When sales and marketing aren't aligned around a shared sales plan, like a monthly or a quarterly, here's what we're selling and to whom, you get siloed output. And at that point, your strategy is just hope and luck and coincidence. Maybe if everyone crosses enough of their fingers, your marketing content will help the sales team. When sales and marketing operate in silos, you end up trapped. Marketing is chasing MQLs, sales is chasing revenue, and neither team is creating the kind of content that actually moves deals forward. Worse, the MQL to SQL handoff just breaks down completely. Marketing passes leads to sales, but without the right content support, they stall, the buyer disappears, sales blames marketing, marketing blames sales, rinse and repeat. Now, the fix is producing content that's built for a sales cycle. When you have a clear sales strategy with target segments, buyer personas, product focus, marketing can finally create content that's actually mapped to customer conversations. I'm talking about things like case studies that speak directly to buyer objections, diagrams that explain implementation without requiring a sales engineer, technical blog posts that validate your product before a single call happens, and slide decks and one-pagers that help the buyer pitch internally. Let's call this deal fuel. It's content that supports the middle and the bottom of the funnel, not just for awareness and vanity metrics like followers and likes, but actually converts the mindsets of your audience, of your prospects, so that they want to buy from you. Good content produces sales velocity. And when your sales team has the right content, they can educate leads without booking another call. They can handle objections without scrambling for help. They can close deals faster with fewer internal bottlenecks. And marketing finally has a way to prove ROI beyond blog views and clicks. They're contributing directly to pipeline, and everyone can see it. So a real goal here is a shared system between these two teams, because the best teams run content and sales in lockstep. Sales sets the strategic direction, marketing builds content that supports it, and together they create a system that attracts, converts, and closes. No more scrambling for case studies, ghosting after a great demo, or leads that just go nowhere. If you want better sales outcomes, build better content. If you want better content, build a better sales plan. It's that simple.